Alright, so the baby chickens are here. I got the water ready. So it has your name on the box, where it's from, McMurtry's Hatchery. And it has a pool, and this is how the birds, I think, this how the birds, this how the birds come. You can hear them. I got their water and their feed set up. The kids really supposed to help me with this, but y'all, I'm a little scared, to be honest. I'm a little nervous because the kid's not here. And I gotta take them out this box. What if they eat me? Ooh! Ooh, y'all, I'm scared. I'm scared to take them out. All right, because I'm scared, I'm gonna use something to take them out of here. And that's, I don't know what to use. Okay. Maybe a shirt. I'm nervous, y'all. Cause I really expect the kids to be here to It's one yellow one. Get out this corner. I'm scared. All right, we got one. All right. So we got one. He's cute. Let's see if we put his beak down there. So you're supposed to take them and dip their head in the water. The heat at